Let's see how I can use Copilot Edit to refactor a Next.js component. So I have this menu, this user menu that is part of the big navbar file. What I want is I want to extract this component into a new standalone component. So selecting the text, going to Copilot Edits, and using one of the models, I just have to give the instruction. Typing the instructions to say that I want to extract the selection into a new component. But also replace one of the generic string xxx into a property that use my internationalized file. So for example, to print a result. So when it's done, I also give some instructions to say that my component, it's a server-side component in Next.js. And it's done. I will call the service. Copilot will describe what it will be doing, adding a new file, updating the existing file. Let's wait a few seconds. The file is created, and you can see you have the component that is taking the code that I have in the previous file, but also replacing the string with a translation string to results and replacing the component in the main navbar. If I go to the page after accepting and saving the file, let's refresh the website. We have the same behavior with the new translated string. Thanks for watching.